Hello friends, day 131, and first thing this morning I did another interview with BBC Radio Gloucestershire, and after stocking up at the co-op in Magna I set off along the Monarch way again, and it's been pretty good, but I haven't seen many people on it, so it's obviously not used very much. It's been a hot day, particularly to start with this morning, so progress was a bit slow and there were quite a few hills to climb as well. But overall it's been rather a pleasant day, and I've ended up in Wells, apparently the smallest city in England, and it's rather splendid. I'm actually staying above an Italian restaurant. Perfect! So I can go down and have dinner without getting wet outside. So let's have a look at some of the views I've seen today, and I will see you on the trail.